Have you ever wondered how you will manage potential long-term care costs as you get older? It is a big question for many people, and understanding your options for financing future care is really important for your peace of mind. When it comes to long-term care insurance and Medicare, the direct answer is that these two programs generally cover very different types of care, and they do not overlap significantly. Medicare typically does not pay for most long-term care services, which is precisely where long-term care insurance steps in to provide crucial financial protection and fill that gap. The main reason for this separation is that Medicare is designed primarily for acute medical needs and short-term recovery, not for ongoing personal or custodial care. For instance, Medicare might cover skilled nursing care for a limited period, typically up to 100 days, after a hospital stay, or physical therapy and home health care if it is medically necessary and doctor-ordered. However, it explicitly does not cover daily assistance with activities like bathing, dressing, eating, continence, toileting, or transferring, which are often referred to as custodial care. This type of care is the hallmark of long-term care needs. Long-term care insurance, on the other hand, is specifically designed to cover these non-medical daily living needs, providing financial assistance for services at home, in assisted living facilities, or in nursing homes, when you can no longer perform a certain number of these daily activities on your own due to illness, injury, or cognitive impairment. This distinct focus means they address different aspects of your care needs. To effectively plan for your future care, first begin by thoroughly assessing your potential needs and preferences. Consider your family history, your health, and whether you would prefer receiving care at home, surrounded by familiar comforts, or in a dedicated facility. Next, engage in thorough research of different long-term care insurance policies. Pay close attention to their comprehensive benefits, the associated premiums, and the specific eligibility requirements, as these can vary widely among providers. It is highly recommended to speak with an independent insurance or financial professional who specializes in long-term care planning. They possess the expertise to help you objectively compare policies from various providers, explain complex terms, and ultimately understand how a policy might seamlessly fit into your broader financial picture, working in concert with any Medicare benefits you may eventually receive for medical care. When you are evaluating policies, you will often encounter critical terms such as elimination period and benefit period. The elimination period is essentially like a deductible, measured in days, where you are responsible for paying for care out of pocket for a set number of days, perhaps 30, 60, or 90 days, before your insurance coverage officially begins. The benefit period, conversely, defines the maximum length of time the policy will pay for your care, which could range from 2 years to 5 years, or even for your entire lifetime, depending on the policy you choose. Understanding these specific details is absolutely crucial because they directly impact your potential out-of-pocket costs and the overall level of protection a policy offers. Additionally, many quality policies also include inflation protection, a vital feature designed to help ensure your benefits keep pace with the ever-rising costs of long-term care services over many years. Ultimately, Medicare primarily focuses on your medical treatments and recovery from illness or injury, while long-term care insurance covers the essential daily support you might need for an extended period as you age. When viewed strategically, these two types of coverage can form a much more comprehensive and robust safety net. This integrated approach helps ensure you have access to the full spectrum of care you may need, without necessarily depleting your hard-earned savings, thereby providing a greater sense of security and peace of mind for your future and for your loved ones.